Starting from daily, we are, yep, bearish. There is it. There is nothing else to say about daily today. If I have to mark, oh no, let's mark in H4. So overall, let's take a look at another time. Daily is bearish. We have the sweep of high market structure shift reacting from bearish from this order block. Now let's take a look at the H4, which is also bearish. I mean, yeah, nothing else to say. Okay, this one is look good. Let's mark this as order block. So this would be the target. Overall, daily is bearish, and this is the zone I have, from which if price retraced toward there, it would be very much beautiful. And let's take a look at the H1. Alright, H1 is also looking solid. I mean, both H4 and H1, these has been moving bearish since taking this sweep of high. Order block respect, order block respect. Now another, let's just put like this, another order block here, after which I obviously expect a respect toward bearishness, be it like this or be it like this. So next thing is going to be M15, in which we can clearly see that Asia high didn't get taken. Asia low is open, or I can say a couple of bounce back toward upside, but nothing happened. So now what I want to see is, since there haven't been taken any liquidity, so what I want to see is price moving here and then rejecting. Once it reject, I would like to jump in immediately, and if it doesn't reject but move totally upward and then shift the structure, that would be fine very much. So let's see how this one turned out. And yeah, I don't know, should I mean, if there was a sweep of high, I would not hesitate to execute from this to here. But well, there haven't been taken any liquidity, so I don't know, should I execute with less risk here? Well, let's see. Alright, so I have my order in here while putting my SL above and aiming for 1:2. Pretty reasonable target, I would say. Yep, that is it. And the reason is, first thing first, overall high time frame narrative is bearish, and if you took look at the left side, we have these consolidation, from after which price has taken the liquidity not just once but twice, and after that we have the market structure shift, and then this whole order block, price retraced on that, reverse from there on, so not reverse, just continue from there. So we have now this order block from which I do expect the price to move bearish, but still, if it wants to take the liquidity, be it, I'll be executing again. Alright, so currently we can see this is the M5 chart, and price has been making this bullish structure overall, for which we are right now reacting to bullish, but at the same time we are sitting at this high time frame area. So it is just a matter of time that I will get this type of price action, and if not, it might just move above, take all the high, and then move bearish. So let's see, it's going to take time. Here we go, 15 minutes left for the market to open, and here we are. Another day, we will start from, sorry, another night, and we will start from the daily again. So we can clearly see daily has been absolutely bearish and we are breaking zone after zone. So currently we can see next zone as this one, which already has been tapped, so I would like to put that as a target. So yeah, that's how it is right now. And then I will mark this one. Alright, after that, let's take a look at the H4. By the way, we are bearish, no question asked about that one. And then on H4, we can clearly see the bearish structure here developing in this way. Now comes the H1. I mean, today is the simplest day, I would say. Everything is bearish. We have the soft PDA. Above that, we have liquidity area to be taken if it's really want to take those liquidities. Other than that, in M15, I mean, it's the same thing. Here we go. Let's put it like this. Alright, here we have this zone, we have that area, we are just bearish, and yeah, that is it. I don't really have anything else to say about this one. So now the thing is, okay, so now in M15, now the thing is how I would like to execute. First of all, just a manipulation and then engulfing candle. Then I would like to see low term confirmation. That is where I will execute toward bearishness. That is it. Now it's moved drastically bullish. Then I would like to see a market structure shift above before taking any entry. Other than that, if H1 break above, I don't know. High time frame is bearish, so I'm not going to bet against that. And yeah, let's see how today turn out. Here we go. We are currently at 29th of July. 2 days for this month to be end. And yesterday we got another banger. And yeah, let's start. So starting from the M15. I mean, everything on the live. I did exactly as I have said in the forecast that I would like to wait for either a pullback or a strong reaction from there. And guess what happened? We got the strong reaction, and then after that we have a M1 pullback like this. So here we have this M1 pullback from which we got another strong engulfing candle. We had that order block, price retest on there. We got this execution while putting myself above, and TP at first was here. It was logical according to high time frame area, But then I was like, price is moving very well. Let's keep my TP at 1:2 and manage my trade aggressively. So that's what I did. First my SL was here, then I put here and then here, and in the last time it was in here. Price moved very well toward there. So nothing else to say about this one. It was a good day. And another thing is, in EU, I would say it's pretty much the same thing as I have taken this trades before. Same process we have, like sweep of high, order block, and another, not the sweep of high, but just respecting that one. We have this order block from which we are reacting from there. But another thing is that I could have avoided this loss if I really had managed to cut my trade after having this respect of bullish area. So that would have been a good one, but still, it is what it is.